Welcome to eShip. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Chatgpt bot on Discord in under 2 minutes. Check this. So this is the easy method. First off, we're going to make ourselves a Discord server, and then we're going to go on Google or Firefox, whatever search engine you use. Then we're just going to look up Chatgpt bot Discord. And I use the second option. I'll put the link in the description as well. And all you have to do is click invite, and then pick your server you want to have access in. So I only have this server for now. I just click next and next, and yes, I'm human. Right, you're almost done. Now, if you hover over the Chatgpt bot, it has a list of commands that you can use. So it's pretty simple. You just type in /chat and your message and what version you can use or want to use. But sadly, the version 3 and 4 are premium only, which costs money. But besides that, it works pretty well. So I'm going to do a quick command for it to spawn some cubes in Blender, and I'm going to show it to you that it actually works. It takes a fair bit to load, but it's fine. All we have to do now is just copy this text and post it in Blender. So we're going to open up Blender, click on scripting, make a new script and post it here. And boom, we have 10 cubes. So it works fine. Another feature that this bot actually has is doing images. But sadly, it's premium as well. So I'll be honest, if I were to rate this bot, it'd be like a 3 out of 10, since it doesn't save stuff and it mostly costs money. But don't worry, I'll make a video on the topic how to make your own Chatgpt bot soon. So I'll see you guys